This is indeed a major change in the history of the state's unemployment insurance program. For Californians receiving unemployment benefits, the days of waiting for a check to arrive in the mail are coming to an end. Starting July 8th, the Employment Development Department will start issuing new EDD debit cards instead of traditional checks for about 1.2 million Californians who are currently receiving benefits. The rollout will take us a couple of months to complete. Moving to an electronic benefit payment program just makes sense for both our customers and for EDD. Debit cards are really the currency of our time. You can use them at grocery stores, gas stations, at millions of locations that accept Visa-branded cards. And we've included a direct deposit transfer option, so customers can choose to have some or all of their benefits transferred from their card account directly into their personal bank account. We're very proud that the new EDD debit card can provide our customers with a faster, more convenient, and more secure way to receive their benefits, can save customers money who don't have a bank account, who used to have to pay check cashing fees when they got their unemployment and disability benefit checks, provide stability in the event of a disaster so that unemployment and disability benefits can continue to be paid despite any disruptions that may occur in mail delivery, and most importantly, with careful use of this card, customers can avoid fees altogether. And that was a paramount concern to us when we established this new debit card system.
It's great. It's much better. It cuts about 3 days off the payment time from before. I turned the paperwork in on Friday, and I would have the check on Tuesday or Wednesday. And now I turn the paperwork in on Friday, and the money's in the account by Saturday. So I have nothing to complain about. It's great.
And at first it kind of, worried me, but the more I used it and the more I have been using it, I like it.
I can use it anywhere. I like how if I go to the grocery store or the gas station or out to eat anywhere with my family, I can use it, and it's very accessible. That's one thing I really like about it.
And it just shows up on the balance. I can look at it on my computer, or I can take the card to an ATM, look at the balance, and the money's there on the day they say it'll be there.
Well, with a new baby, it was it was a good option for us to do direct deposit because it's hard to go to the bank, it's hard to get out of the house, it's hard to do a lot of things.
We're not going to be able to keep them out. Relax.
Activate.
All right. So
just go ahead and type in all the information. And then just put in your right hand and compare it.
Okay.
Yeah.
all right.
Thanks for calling Bank of America. My name is Daniel Tosh. How can I provide you with excellent service today?
Hi, I would like to access my unemployment benefits using my EDD. I would like to use my EDD debit card.
Sure, that won't be a problem. Hi, welcome to Bank of America. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to access my unemployment benefits using my EDD debit card.
Sure, that won't be a problem. 20, 40, 60.
Thank you.
Card bill. Right. 20, 40, 60, 80.
My name is Frank, and I'd like to get some money into your account.
Bigger one.
It's hidden in the neighborhood for sure.
A lot of stuff you guys don't have.
Okay, keep going like